Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this small tutorial I will show you how to buy Robux using GCash. So first of all, going into the help article on the official Roblox website, and in here, as you can see, we have which payment methods can I use. And basically, as you can see, we have different ways of actually adding and using our payment methods. So you can just add your credit card into your account in Google Play Store. For example, here's our Google Play, also iTunes and Amazon. So you're just adding in the same way your GCash balance into your Play Store. So going into the help page of this GCash website, as you can see on Android device or iOS, basically we need to check out from the merchant page, tap open in GCash, log in into your GCash app, review payment details and select pay, and you will be led to a page that confirms a successful transaction. You can also use GCash by using your laptop or computer the same way. Log in into your GCash app, scan the QR code, review payment details and select pay, and you'll be able to then confirm a successful transaction. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like the video if it helped, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.